Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am just popping on for a quick Target Bullseye shop with me, and I wanted to share what I saw and what I purchased. So you can see they had some more storage bins and some of these heart-shaped little tiered trays and some of these kind of bamboo and wicker baskets. A lot of the Valentine stuff is gone. They had some water bottles, spray bottles, big ones and little ones. I did pick up some of the little ones. So a little bit of the Valentine left. And I like the look of these gold baskets. I thought this was cool. It's spun around. Might be neat to use on your craft table. I don't really need any flowers right now. So some of the spring stuff is starting to be put out. More things for like your coffee tray or tiered tray. I did pick up some of those bookends. So there wasn't anything too exciting in the Bullseye. Just kind of some basics. So if you're in need of some basic items. I thought this color was really pretty. Thought it was a candle, but it's just a little storage bin. Again, more signs of spring. And as you know, most things are $5 these days. There's a couple things that are $3. I thought that pillow was really cute, the heart-shaped one. And then I had picked up one of these red ones, red boxes at Christmas. I'm going to paint it, and they also had some pink ones there, and use it to store ephemera pieces. Again, more organization, storage bins. They were restocking a lot of the kids' toys. Now, I thought these were cute. I didn't buy any, but for your tiered tray, these cute little sweets, cupcakes and cakes. Thought those were really cute. But I resisted temptation. Now, I did pick up, this drawer pulls out, but they had it taped. Picked up one of those, and then I picked up another. I picked up one of these before, and then I picked up another one. I think they're great for storing. Has two little drawers that pull out. And this looks like a teeny tiny little charcuterie board or cheese board. And it has it marked out of what to put in each little spot. And then they have more of these peel and stick tiles you can use on the floor or backsplash. Some new patterns. I think that's great for renters if you're renting. And then they only had a couple of these little frames left, and I did a project on those before. They had a bunch of Valentine towels. I loved these gnomes, but again, I resisted temptation again. I'm really trying to slow down buying. And then this big sheets of contact paper. I thought this hat was adorable. I love the color combos. I have no idea what this is. If anyone does, please let me know in the comments below. Have you been shopping at Target lately? What have you gotten? Let me know. Some collapsible storage bins. And these little fans. Now my daughter has a more expensive one that clips onto the stroller for the baby. She loves it. And I picked up one of these. They're string lights of Minnie Mouse, and it didn't work, so I'm going to have to take it back. That's a little frustrating. So yeah, so nothing too exciting at the Bullseye spot, but I thought I'd share it with you. There might be something that you like, it sparks your interest. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Love ya.